Imagine standing on a planet where it rains molten glass sideways, or watching a star disappear like a light bulb switched off, instantly. Space isn't just vast, it's weird. Stick around for fact number 7. It completely rewires how we think about time itself. And if you're into cosmic mysteries, hit that like button and let's launch into the unknown.
When we think of the coldest places in the universe, our minds often wander to the vast, empty spaces between galaxies. But the coldest place ever recorded isn't out in the cosmic boondocks, it's right here on Earth, inside a laboratory at MIT. Scientists managed to cool a cloud of sodium-potassium gas to a mind-boggling 500 nanokelvin. That's just a hair above absolute zero. Enter the Boomerang Nebula, located some 5,000 light-years away in the constellation Centaurus. This ghostly cloud of gas and dust has a bone-chilling temperature of minus 457.6 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1 Kelvin. The Boomerang Nebula's extreme chill is due to its rapid expansion, which causes the gas within it to cool dramatically. It's a stunning example of the extremes of temperature that can exist in the universe.
We're accustomed to thinking of stars as eternal beacons, shining brightly for billions of years. But in 2020, astronomers were baffled when a massive star, 2.5 million light-years away in the constellation Aquarius, simply vanished. This wasn't a case of a star dimming over time or exploding in a brilliant supernova. The best theory? This massive star collapsed directly into a black hole. It's a stark reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and even the most massive stars can meet an unexpectedly quiet end.
Saturn isn't the only planet in our solar system sporting rings. Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune all have rings, although they're much fainter and less prominent than Saturn's. Even the dwarf planet Haumea, residing in the icy depths of the Kuiper belt beyond Pluto, has a ring system. But here's the thing about rings. They're not permanent fixtures. Saturn's iconic rings are slowly but surely disappearing. Scientists estimate that the rings are being pulled into Saturn by its gravity at a rate of about an Olympic-sized swimming pool every half hour. At this rate, Saturn's rings will likely be gone in about 100 million years. So, enjoy them while you can, because these celestial wonders are on a cosmic clock.
Now let's journey to a planet so bizarre, so extreme, that it makes science fiction look tame. This is HD 189733b, a gas giant located about 63 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula. From a distance, HD 189733b might appear inviting. It's a beautiful azure blue, much like our own Earth. But don't let that vibrant hue fool you. This is a planet of scorching temperatures, crushing pressures, and weather that would make a hurricane look like a gentle breeze. The winds on HD 189733b scream across the planet at speeds of up to 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. But the real kicker? It rains glass, sideways. The planet's atmosphere contains silicates, the building blocks of glass. These silicates condense into tiny glass particles that are swept up by the howling winds, creating a horizontal downpour of molten glass shards.
Space, as we know, is vast, but amidst the tapestry of stars, galaxies, and cosmic wonders, there exists a void so immense, so empty, that it challenges our very understanding of the universe. This cosmic enigma is known as the Eridanus supervoid, and it's not just a region of space with fewer galaxies than usual. It's a region with almost nothing at all. This cosmic desert stretches over 1 billion light-years across, making it one of the largest known structures in the observable universe. Scientists are baffled by the Eridanus supervoid. Some theories suggest it might be a remnant of a collision between universes in the distant past. Others speculate that it could be the result of exotic physics beyond our current understanding. The Eridanus supervoid is a stark reminder that for all we've learned about the universe, there's still so much more that we don't know.
Time. It's the one constant in our lives, right? The seconds tick by, the minutes turn into hours, and before we know it, another year has passed. But what if I told you that time, as we experience it, isn't so constant after all? This isn't science fiction, folks. This is Einstein's theory of general relativity at work. Einstein taught us that gravity isn't just a force, it's a curvature in the fabric of space-time itself. Massive objects like stars and black holes warp the space-time around them, and just as objects closer to the bowling ball roll inward, time itself flows slower closer to massive objects. This means that if you could stand near the edge of a black hole, time would slow down for you relative to someone observing from a safe distance. A few minutes for you could be years for them. It's a testament to Einstein's genius that his theories, as mind-bending as they are, have very real and practical applications.
Now, we've all wished we could travel through time, right? To witness historical events firsthand? To right past wrongs? Or maybe just to get a head start on that looming deadline. But what if I told you that you're already a time traveler? I know, it sounds crazy. Because of Earth's motion through space and its gravitational field, our experience of time is relative. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station, orbiting Earth at a speed of about 17,500 miles per hour, are actually aging a tiny bit slower than we are down here on Earth. This means that when astronauts return to Earth after spending time in space, they've technically traveled a tiny bit into the future. They've experienced less time than we have. Now, before you get any ideas about strapping yourself to a rocket to chase immortality, this time dilation effect is incredibly small. We're talking about fractions of a second over a lifetime. But it's still a fascinating reminder that time, as we perceive it, is a fluid and relative concept.
If your mind's a little bent after that, don't worry, you're not alone. Space is full of mysteries, and we've only scratched the surface. So if you learned something new, smash that like button. It really helps the channel reach more curious minds. Tell me in the comments, which fact blew your mind the most? Or did I miss one of your favorite space oddities? Don't forget to subscribe with notifications on. We've got black holes, alien worlds, and future tech episodes coming soon.